The last step is to export the file as a PDF. I'll reorder the layers and place the hyperlinks layer at the bottom. This ensures that the hyperlinks won't be visible in the PDF but will still function correctly. Also, unlock any elements you have locked and ensure the template images layer is hidden as it contains the old design we no longer need. Then go to File, Export, and select Adobe PDF Interactive as the file type. Enter a title for the PDF. It's best to save the PDF in a different folder from where the project and template are stored. After exporting, open the PDF and check that all the hyperlinks are working correctly. The next step is to compress the PDF. When we export the PDF, you'll notice that the file size is large, around 32 megabytes. To reduce the file size, I recommend using ilovepdf.com, a free online service. To compress the PDF, follow these steps. First, open ilovepdf.com in your browser. Next, in the menu bar, select Compress PDF. Then, choose the PDF file you want to compress. After that, select Extreme Compression and wait for the process to complete. Finally, once the file is compressed, click Download PDF to save it to your device. Now we need to delete the pages we won't use in our digital planner. Specifically, I'm talking about the daily 2 pages. You can keep them in the PDF if you want, since the digital planner's hyperlinks don't lead to them. However, to keep everything organized, I'll remove it. I'll use the same website as earlier to delete it. Head over to the All PDF tool, click on Remove Pages, and then upload your PDF. Go back to our PDF and open it. Then navigate to the first and last pages of the daily 2 layouts to find out the page numbers you need to delete. This way, you'll know exactly which pages to remove. Go back to the website, enter those page numbers in the page field, and click Remove Pages. Using the dash sign between 374 and 739 means deleting all pages from 374 to 739. Next, download the final file to your device. Open it, and check that the pages have been deleted and the hyperlinks are working correctly.